Welcome back to The Exchange. Vice President Kamala Harris is now the frontrunner to become the Democratic presidential nominee, now that President Biden has decided not to seek re-election. While she polls better than Biden does, former President Trump still leads, and Wells Fargo is out with a note today saying a second Trump presidency would be bullish for the rails, given his focus on deregulation, domestic energy independence, and lower corporate taxes. Joining me now to discuss in an exclusive interview is Lorie Tekorius. She's CEO of the Greenbrier Companies, a leading freight rail car maker globally, and it's great to have you here. Welcome.
It's great to be here. Thanks for having me.
I bet you're thrilled to talk politics. We don't mean to overly dwell on these developments, but it does feel like cross-border, freight traffic or all the rest of it is one of the areas that has the biggest fallout lately from the presidential consequences of what we've seen.
Absolutely. Well, what's interesting is, the rail freight industry, we've been around since the 19th century, right? So we've been around. We've seen lots of different presidential candidates. We've seen lots of different administrations, and we worked through all of them. Just like many other CEOs, I think you wake up and you try to be flexible and just go with what's going on in the day and in the moment, just like you have to do.
So reflecting then on the Trump administration, 2016 to 2020, did it tangibly change what was happening with freight traffic and that sort of thing all over the country?
Some of the things that have happened are a focus on safety, investment in infrastructure, because if you invest in infrastructure, that means that you need some gondola cars to carry the stuff that supports those kinds of investments. So we've seen that sort of demand. Anything that helps the economy, helps consumers, that benefits the railroad, because so much of what you and I buy at the stores or on the internet, some way, shape, or form, it's been moved in a rail car. So whether it's an automobile, whether it's a washing machine, or whether it's some small gadget that you're buying on Amazon, it or its base ingredients traveled in a rail car.
Did you say gondola cars?
Yes, gondola. Yes.
That sounds like giganta. Is that right?
It's like a big cradle.
Okay, a big cradle. And it carries what exactly?
So you can put scrap steel in there. You can put coiled steel. You can put all kinds of big, bulky products that don't actually need to be covered and secured by the weather.
So it sounds, in other words, like a lot of President Biden's initiatives to increase infrastructure spending and build out across the country would be bullish for things like gondola activity and rail activity, broadly speaking.
Yes, and what's nice is we're hearing it on both sides or all sides of the aisle these days, is this focus on investing in infrastructure and recognizing where we need to make some upgrades across the country.
Yeah, so again, this is sort of equity analysts are trying to think about angles through which the Trump administration might help the rails. But what I'm hearing from you is either outcome might be supportive for rail activity, just maybe of a slightly different kind. My guess is if we're talking about reshoring, we're not talking about gondolas so much. We're talking more about everyday commerce and maybe some of that coming from Mexico and Canada instead of on a ship from Asia.
Exactly. And you've actually seen a lot of companies doing the nearshoring after COVID, and with the supply chain issues, you've seen a lot more companies that are shifting in, a lot of manufacturing going on in northern Mexico or support. While we're building rail cars in Mexico, we're also building them in Arkansas, and we're sourcing a lot of the material that we use in Mexico from the United States. So the focus on crossing the border and being able to have commerce move across the border freely is great for the United States. It's great for North America. So that's where I really hope that we continue to focus, is how do we build the North American market more strongly.
Right. In other words, you don't want to kind of, you don't want it to be, okay, Mexico wins or maybe Mexico can win at the expense of China, but not that it comes all completely within the U.S. and kind of cuts off our closest trade partners.
Exactly, because you're right. You're absolutely right that Mexico is our #1 trade partner, and we need to recognize that. And it's been great for the United States as well. If we were to bring everything back to the United States, I don't think we have a workforce to support that, right? So we need to think about the fact that we do need our partners here in North America to make all of our countries greater.
That's interesting. And of course, things are a little bit charged right now with migration and all of those issues. But leaving that aside, so it sounds like kind of outcome regardless, you think the rails should benefit from generally increased GDP, increased activity. There was a retrenchment post-pandemic as we saw massive volumes and then that hangover period. E-commerce shipments have been down and that sort of thing. Where are we now compared with kind of that whole cycle? How's that played out?
For any of your viewers who like to look at information and data, there are boatloads, rail cars loads of data.
Sounds very Greenspan-esque. Yeah.
But, we are seeing it's poor comps if you look at a year ago, but we are seeing loadings go in the right direction. This is where, from the freight industry perspective, I look at not just what's great for Greenbrier, but what's great for our industry, because as our industry improves, as the railroads improve their operations, as we get better with the kinds of cars that we design and build, it's just better for all of us. So that's the focus there. And you're right, when it comes to the border, my focus is on commerce.
Yeah, well, rail car loadings, I think, should be up. Are those publicly released? Or
I'm sure you can find it on the internet. I heard a little bit about that.
I think you should make it publicly released. We make this a big data point, and maybe we can all find out more about what's going on. Lorie, thank you so much for joining us with an inside glimpse. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Lorie Tekorius, 30 years, by the way, celebrating being public today.
Yes, thank you.
From the Greenbrier companies.